Good morning, my dear students. I welcome you to online English classes. In previous class, we had already started a new chapter from your book Beehive. That is chapter 8. And the name of the chapter is Rich for the Top. As I told you that this chapter was distributed into two parts. Part 1, Santosh Yadav, and Part 2, Maria Sharapova. As I said that Rich for the Top is a biographical story that tells about the lives of a great woman. That is Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. As I said that Santosh Yadav was a mountaineer. Before we proceed to the class, we just recall the chapter. Santosh Yadav is an officer in Indo-Tibetan Border Police. She has been portrayed as a firm while deceived, courageous, adventurous girl. And Santosh Yadav physical and mental mind was so toughness. Santosh Yadav has twice climbed Mount Everest. She is only woman in the world to do so. She was born in a city where the birth of a son was regretted as a blessing. Daughters were not welcome. A holy man blessed Santosh's mother, thinking that she wanted a son. But what happened that time? Santosh's grandmother told him that they didn't want a son. This surprised the holy man. He blessed her. Santosh was born in Joniavas village in Haryana as the sixth child, and she is a sister to 5 brothers. And she was named Santosh. And what's the meaning? That means contentment. That means satisfaction. Santosh began living life on her own terms. Other girls wore traditional Indian dresses, but she always preferred to wear shorts. She said that she was determined to choose a correct path. Others were to change themselves, not she. Santosh's parents were rich landowners. They could send her for education to nearby Delhi, the capital. But they sent her to the village school. Santosh decided to fight the system. When she turned 16, she refused to marry. That time, most of the girls in her village used to get married at that age. She warned her parents that she would never marry if she didn't get a proper education. So she got admission in school in Delhi. Her parents refused to pay her fees. They don't want to pay fees. But she told them that she would work part time to earn money. After then, they agreed to pay her fee for education. Santosh passed the high school. She went to Jaipur to join Maharani College. She got a room in Kasturba Hostel. It faced the Aravali Hills. She used to see the villagers going up the hills and disappearing. Now we can continue the chapter. Then there was no looking back for the determination. Young girl, she saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. My college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended on the 19th of May. And I was supposed to be in Uttarkashi on the 21st. So I didn't go back home. Instead, I headed straight for the training. I had to write a letter of apology to my father, without whose permission I had got myself enrolled at Uttarkashi. First, we discuss about the meanings. What's the meaning of semester? An academic session. Headed, that means went. Straight, that means direct. Apology, that means beginning a pardon. Now, since then, Santosh progressed gradually to become an accomplished mountaineer. For that, lots of money you want for taking admission in mountaineering. That time, she saved money to get enrolled in the mountaineering course at the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering at Uttarkashi. As her college semester end got delayed and she didn't have time to visit home. Before reporting at the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, she went directly to the institute and wrote a letter to apology to her father because she had enrolled without his parents' permission. Thereafter, Santosh went on an expeditions every year. Her climbing skills matured rapidly. Also, she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and the attitude. Equipped with an iron will, physical endurance, and an amazing mental toughness, she proved herself repeatedly. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992. Just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravali mountaineers if she could join them at barely 20 years of age. Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. If her climbing skill, physical fitness and mental strength impressed her senior. Her concern for other and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the heart of fellow climbers. Now, what's the meaning of expeditions? That means a difficult assignment, matured rapidly. That means got quick maturity, remarkable, noteworthy. Resistance, what's the meaning of resistance? Opposition. Altitude, that means height. What's the meaning of equipped with? That means endowed with. Complete, or to say complete. Iron will, that means strong desire. Endurance, what's the meaning of endurance? Capacity to bear. What's the meaning of amazing? That means surprising. What's the meaning of mental toughness? Hardness of the mind. Culmination, that means top point. Shyly with shyness. Barely, hardly. And what's the meaning of feat? A notable act. Concern, that means devotion. Now here, Santosh went to an expeditions. Every year and improved her skill gradually. That time she developed immunity to cold. And height. Santosh had the quality of physical strength, mental and strong willpower. That time in 1992, 4 years after her casual climb on the Aravalli Hill, she climbed Mount Everest, and that time she was only 20 years of age. And Santosh became the youngest woman in the world to climb the peak. Her seniors were impressed by her qualities of physical strength, mental strength, and strong willpower. That time, her companion and expeditions found her to be concerned for other and willing to work as team. During the 1992 expeditions to Everest, she tried to save a fellow climber and unsuccessful in saving another fellow. That time she had an iron will, physical endurance and mental toughness. Her efforts started bearing like fruits. During the 1992 Everest missions, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Pole. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. However, she managed to save another climber. Mohan Singh she would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. Mission that means companion. Provided that means gave. Goal that means a low point in a mountain range. See, during the 1992 in the Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber. He lay down at the south pole, but she could not save him. But she managed to save another climber, that is Mohan Singh. Mohan Singh, who fell short of oxygen by sharing her oxygen with him. He would have died if Santosh had not shared her oxygen with him. We will continue the chapter in the next class. Till then, goodbye.